Hi everyone, welcome to our guide video. I'm gonna tell you about the AEZAKMI browser. I guess that many of you guys remember that AEZAKMI is a cheat code from the GTA San Andreas. It allows you to get rid of police. We decided to spread this idea to the browser fingerprints area. Now I'm gonna show you how to start with AEZAKMI. Well, let's download the current version of AEZAKMI from our website aezakmi.run. During the installation, it is possible to select two versions, default or ungoogled. In ungoogled one, all Google services are disabled and the searching system is DuckDuckGo. In our video, we'll install default version. There are two shortcuts on your desktop after the installation. There are Create New Profile and AEZAKMI Browser 1 shortcuts. The Create New Profile shortcut allows you to create new browser profiles. I will come back to this option later. Okay, now I'm launching AEZAKMI. When you start AEZAKMI, you see login page. There is also AEZAKMI extension, which is placed in the right top corner of the window. The extension allows you to apply created fingerprint profiles. Now log into your AEZAKMI account. As you did it, you will see a new fingerprint profile creation page. In AEZAKMI, you can create a new fingerprint profile in 5 steps. Select the operating system, the browser, the video driver vendor, and the model of the video card. As you choose all parameters, click on the Generate button and AEZAKMI immediately give you the original fingerprint from our database. To use your proxies, use the Enable Proxy checkbox. Fill it up. Notice that in this version of AEZAKMI you cannot use SOCKS 5 or 4 with login and password. Don't forget to press Set Geo to apply the geo and time zone settings. Great, now the geo and time zone parameters are connected to your proxy server. In addition, in the Advanced tab, you can manually specify the geo for your proxy by entering the necessary parameters. Keep in mind that differences in the geo specified manually and the geo by IP proxy will probably lead to your detection by anti-fraud systems. Moreover, if you desire, in this tab you can set up manually a custom fingerprint by entering the necessary parameters. Remember that all noises are turned on by default. We do not recommend changing it. However, if you think that a unique canvas can detect you, you just can select the same operating system as yours while creating a new fingerprint. And feel free to turn off the noise of the canvas. Nevertheless, advanced settings is highly recommended for advanced users only. Okay, now I save the just created profile. In the tab Your Profiles, you can edit your fingerprints, change parameters and even delete it. Now go to the AEZAKMI extension. It is also necessary to log in over there. As you have configured and saved the new fingerprint profile, it will appear in the AEZAKMI extension, and you can choose from the list. Now I am applying a newly created profile, and we see that the status has changed to started. When I was creating the fingerprint profile, I used a proxy. So now, before applying such a profile, it needs the username and password of the proxy server. This measure is for protecting you from detection by anti-fraud systems. It may happen if you constantly switching between multiple fingerprint profiles. Now, let's check our fingerprint profile on BrowserLeaks. It is a very reputed website for such tests. Okay, let's apply another fingerprint profile. I have already created a second one in the same browser profile. Let's switch to BrowserLeaks. Please note that the IP addresses are different. The user agent is also different. Here is Linux, and in profile 1, as you remember, there was Windows. It's important to note that when I'm switching, all sessions, cookies, open tabs, and history are saved. Now I will create a profile on Facebook. Let's try to close the browser and open it again. You see, everything works. All settings are saved in the profile. Now, let's switch to another fingerprint in the same browser profile. I choose Profile 2. As we can see, the parameters are already different. Let's go back to Profile 1. Please note that each profile loads only its own cookies. At the beginning of the video, I've already mentioned that Create New Profile shortcut is for creating new browser profiles on your desktop. Here's how it works. For demonstration, I will open several browser profiles, and in each one I will run the session. It is very convenient to use, for example, for individual accounts. You can rename each browser profile for specific task. Do you see that? There's no need for any other solution like virtual machines. If you work in a team or you need to transfer a customized profile, this can be done in one click. You just need to click on the Save Profile button. Now check your Downloads folder. For demonstration, I'll log into another AEZAKMI account and load our profile in it. To load a saved profile, select the Upload Profile button in the extension. And here we go, the profile is in another account but with the same tabs: Logged in Forms, History and Cookies. I guess that is it. You can try AEZAKMI by yourself. Just go to aezakmi.run and text to our support for a trial version. Have a nice day, see you in other videos.